Welcome to the six trade a day challenge. It is November 17th. I'm Rob Helmick, former professional gambler for 45 years. I also started a few internet companies and was an attorney. I trade every day with my wife. We've been trading options every day since 2020, and we've been trading equities since 1985. So we manage a couple of pretty funds, and those funds trade hundreds of 0 DTE SPX every single day. But we had a lot of people ask us to set up a test account using a smaller amount of money, more reasonable for the individual trader. So we set up a $30,000 account on September 1st, and we've been doing 6 trades a day. They are multiple entry condors, and we tell you at the beginning of the week exactly what the times are. You can check videos. I'll put one at the end of this video that shows you exactly what the trades are for this particular week. And I like to do a video every day if I get the time to tell you what the results were. So let's take a look at what the results were today. Just to remind you, these are 6 multiple entry iron condors. Now, if you don't know what those are, it's a put credit spread and a call credit spread. Ours are going to be for $1.85 for the short, and then you're going to do a 50 wide long, and then you're going to do a $1.85 premium for the short on the call side, and also a 50 wide wing. You're going to do 95% stop loss, and that's per side, right? It's actually per on the short. So when the short gets to 95%, you're going to take it off on either side. When the short comes off, you want to try and sell the long right away to get as much as you can. I think we got about $100, $120 today in selling our longs on the losers. If you can, you want to use OTO. That means one triggers the other. And that's a great way of doing it if you can't watch. If you got robots, you can't watch your account all day long. What happens is your short gets stopped out, say at 95%, and then the robot will automatically put in a sell order at the market so you can sell your long. I think we sold some for $25 today, some for $50, maybe some for $45. We might have got $150. I'm not sure. I didn't look exactly what the details were. So let's take a look. We do 6 trades a day. Like I said, September 1st, we made we lost the first 2 weeks. Next 2 weeks we made some. Next 2 weeks we made some. Next 2 weeks we made some. We did pretty good last 2 weeks. I think we made like $3 grand or so. I'll update this tomorrow with that one. So for today, yay, we made $3.56. As you can see right here, it's not much. This 3-month change is just that this account was used for some other stuff that we were testing before, so this is a little bit over-inclusive. But you can see that we made we made $3.56 today. We're up 8,026 since we started. Let's see if I can get that. So we start. That's 26.75%. It's been 75 days. That was 77 days we've been in this. So we're making about 126% rate of return. Incredibly good. We don't expect to do that much. But these are the actual trades that we're putting on, so you can follow along. I'll put a video down at the end of this video. We did a short on Sunday that told you the exact times where those trades are going on. And if you just scroll to the end of it, it's like a 30-second, maybe 1-minute video. If you go to the end, is where all the numbers are. And in our larger funds, we're actually putting these trades on. We do about 120, 125 trades a day in our multi-million-dollar funds. But these, this is for the smaller accounts, something anyone can do. Now, we've had some people ask us about doing accounts less than $30,000. I do not recommend that. I'm of the opinion that if you have less than $30,000, there's a lot of rules against you. Fees, commissions, and slippage really add up. It totally works against you. Yes, you can win, but 16% of the people that have under $30,000 will go broke in the first 2 months. I think it's like 50% will lose their entire account in the first year. It's not good numbers. The math is against you. When we're trading these, the math is on your side. We do millions of back tests every Saturday and Sunday to come up with these trades each week. It's a pretty long and involved process. We got a staff that's working on it now. And so it's really important that you understand that the math of these. You can see our videos, how we do it, and how we come up with these figures every single week. But if you've got less than $30,000, what I recommend you do is just go ahead and buy the SPX. It's given you 22% rate of return the last couple of years. You're probably not going to beat that anyway. I would say 90% of small account traders are not going to get that kind of rate of return. And what you can do is spend your time practicing, watching videos, learning how you're going to trade when you do get 30,000. You can get one of those paper trading accounts in one of the brokers and do that same thing. But just keep feeding that account until you can get it up to $30,000. Hopefully we get some tariff money or whatever, and just feed it into those accounts. And as soon as you get it to 30,000, then I would recommend that you look at trading yourself. At any rate, we'll keep you posted on these daily. Maria's got some videos coming out on how she uses AI every single day for 6 hours a day, how it's doubled her profits in trading. She's got another one coming out, I think later tonight or tomorrow morning, on how to trade NVIDIA. Their earnings are tomorrow after the bell. And she and AI were working all day today on coming up with some trades that she's going to be putting on tomorrow morning. Wednesday, Wednesday is the earnings after the bell. And she'll be putting on some trades tomorrow, I believe. And she'll be posting something tonight, I think, on that. And she's got another one on what to do on down days. And that one's, I think, about 2 days away from coming out. But at any rate, we'll try and keep it fresh. The only thing we ask for a payment is in the comments below. If you could tell us the types of videos that you'd like to see, we'd sure appreciate it. We know the production value is bad. We know the actors on these videos are terrible. But we are trying to improve it every day. And we're all in this together. Let's go get and make money through math. That's what this is all about, trading with math, trading with AI. We hope you have a great trading day.